Hey guys, today we are going to see how to schedule meeting through online using Google Meet. So if you are a HR recruiter or if you want to create a meeting with someone through online or if you want to create a meeting through online with some of group peoples, this video is for you. So first we should go to Google Chrome and choose your account. Here you can see from top right side Google Apps icon. Click here and choose calendar. Once you entered in the Google Calendar, first you should choose when the date you are going to schedule the meeting. So first I want to schedule the meeting March 6th. Once I select, then they ask timing. I just select 6 p.m. 5 p.m. Once you select the timing, the dialog box is appears in the screen. They ask add title. I just enter meeting. Then they ask timing. I just choose from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. 2 hours. And then the meeting. And then if you want to get the meeting link, just click here, copy the link. And if you want to invite other peoples in the meeting, just copy and share this link. Copy. Click save. Once you copy the link, click the new tab and paste the same link. Just click enter. Here you can see Friday, March 6, 5 p.m. The meeting is scheduled. That's it, guys.